Which RV water pump actually delivers when you need it most? It's a simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. With so many claiming to be quiet, powerful, and reliable, it's hard to know what really works out on the road. Today, we cut through the noise. Product number 1, SEAFLO 33 Series 12V. First up, the SEAFLO 33 Series 12V pump. At $76.99, it's mid-range in price, but what caught my eye is that it's the one OEM pump used by major RV manufacturers like Forest River and Winnebago. If you want a pump that's already trusted straight from the factory, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pump delivers 3 GPM at 45 psi, which means you can run your sink, shower, and toilet without pressure dropping. The 3-chamber diaphragm design reduces cycling, so it doesn't turn on and off constantly, something that wears out cheaper pumps fast. Plus, it's NSF and UL certified for drinking water safety, so you're not risking contamination. Now, some people complained about the mounting hardware feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, while the included rubber base helps with vibration, you might want to upgrade the screws if you're boondocking on rough terrain. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to note if you're going full off-grid. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, reliable pump that matches what the pros install. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or need more than 3 GPM. For the price and peace of mind, solid value. Product number 2, SHURFLO Revolution 4008. Now, if SEAFLO's warranty impressed you but you're worried about long-term durability, the SHURFLO 4008 101A65 takes a different approach. Priced at $91.12, it's a bit more expensive, but SHURFLO has been a household name in RV water systems for decades. What sets it apart is the internal bypass system, which allows it to run dry without damage, something that kills cheaper pumps fast. It also has a higher shutoff pressure at 55 psi, meaning stronger water flow to your showerhead, especially if you're using a high-efficiency model. The self-priming works up to 6 feet, and at just 4.3 inches tall, it fits in tight spaces. That said, a few buyers mentioned it can get louder over time, especially if mounted directly to metal surfaces. Here's the thing, this is easily fixed with aftermarket vibration pads. It's not a flaw in the pump itself, just a mounting issue. If you take 5 minutes to isolate it properly, the noise drops way down. This is perfect for you if you camp frequently and want a pump that won't quit. Skip this one if you're strictly dry camping with limited power. 5 amps is a bit high for solar-only setups. But for most RVers, this is a workhorse. Product number 3, Eco-Worthy 110V AC Pump. Alright, that was a solid 12V option. But what if you're staying at campgrounds with hookups and want more power? That's where the Eco-Worthy 110V AC pump comes in. At $71.84, it's the cheapest on this list, but don't let that fool you. It pushes 4 GPM at 50 psi, which is noticeably stronger than most 12V models. Here's why this matters. If you're running a larger RV with multiple fixtures or using a sprayer for cleaning, that extra flow makes a real difference. It's also self-priming up to nearly 10 feet and includes thermal overload protection, so it won't burn out if something blocks the line. Plus, since it runs on AC, you don't drain your house batteries, perfect for long stays with shore power. Now the big downside, you can't use this off-grid. No 12V option means no boondocking unless you've got a serious inverter setup. Some users also said the included hose adapters feel cheap. Here's the thing, they work fine, but swap them out for brass fittings if you're doing a permanent install. It's a small cost for much better longevity. This is perfect for you if you mostly camp with hookups and want strong, consistent pressure. Skip this one if you rely on batteries or solar. This isn't the pump for off-grid life. But for park stays, it's a steal. Product number 4, SEAFLO 33 Series 110V AC. Now, if you like the first SEAFLO but need AC power, this 110V version might be your match. At $109.08, it's the priciest here, but it comes with everything: wall plug, strainer, hose, fittings, the works. If you want a plug-and-play pump that's safe for drinking water and built to last, this is it. It runs at 3.3 GPM and 45 psi, slightly less flow than the Eco-Worthy, but the build quality is noticeably better. It's NSF and UL certified, has the same 4-year warranty, and includes that ultra-quiet vibration mount. The adjustable pressure switch 1760 psi means you can fine-tune it for your setup, whether you're in a tiny camper or a large motorhome. And because it plugs into a standard outlet, installation takes minutes. The main complaint: it's overkill if you only need basic water pressure. Here's the thing, if you're not using the certifications or warranty, you're paying for features you don't need. But if you want the safest, quietest, most reliable AC pump on the market, this is it. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier quality and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're on a budget or don't need AC power. For full-timers or those who value peace of mind, worth every penny. Product number 5, Eco-Worthy 12V 3.5 GPM. Finally, the Eco-Worthy 12V pump at just $60.95. This one's interesting. It's the cheapest 12V option here, but it pushes 3.5 GPM more than the SEAFLO and SHURFLO. If you want maximum flow on a budget, this could be your pick. It's self-priming, runs dry safely, and has thermal protection, all the basics covered. It's also compact, fitting in tight spaces where bigger pumps won't. For food trucks, small campers, or backup systems, it's a solid choice. But here's the catch: it lacks the certifications of the SEAFLO models. No NSF or UL listing means you're taking a small risk with long-term potable water safety. Some users also reported the plastic fittings cracking after a few months. Here's the thing, if you're using it for non-drinking water or short trips, it's fine. But for daily use with drinking water, you might want the extra assurance of certification. This is perfect for you if you need strong flow on a tight budget and aren't relying on it for years of heavy use. Skip this one if you want certified drinking water safety or plan to live full-time in your RV. It's good, but not great. So which one wins? The SEAFLO 12V is the best all-around for most RVers, reliable, quiet, and trusted by manufacturers. The SHURFLO is tougher for frequent travelers, the Eco-Worthy 110V is best for hookup campers, and the SEAFLO 110V is the premium pick. Avoid the budget Eco-Worthy 12V if you're drinking from it daily.